Good morning, Lower School, and welcome to our assembly. Well done everyone last week and this week in completing your Ark Boulton Virtual Academy orientation lesson. Please have a go at logging on this week to ensure everything works for you at home. Remember, you may need to download your PowerPoint in your App Store to access the lessons. This week we're ensuring that we understand the importance of keeping safe in school, and we will look at the science behind why we still need to wear masks, wash our hands and socially distance. So far this year we've had the whole of Year 8 and a Year 7 class who have had to self-isolate for 2 weeks. So it's extremely important that you make sure you know how to access your schoolwork in the hopefully unlikely event that you are sent home. Teachers, I'm going to ask you now to pause this PowerPoint, and I'm going to ask everybody to have a look at these 5 questions. You have 5 minutes to have a go at answering these. So as I said, today we're really looking at how to keep safe in school. And this new slogan that's come out, hands, space, face. So why do we need to continue to use face masks and wash our hands often? On the next slide you're going to watch a video. It lasts about 2 minutes. Your teachers will decide if you play it once or twice. And at the end you should be able to answer those 5 questions. Teachers, now play the video for the students. So from watching the YouTube clip, why is it still important to wash your hands regularly? Why do we all have to wear a face mask during transitions and in the playground? What does the science tell us about droplets? And how does giving space reduce the risk of infection? Teachers, once more, stop the PowerPoint and get your students to answer these questions. We come to the end of the assembly now, and I want you to get used to giving your shout outs. And as I've already done, I'm going to give a big shout out to all the students who have already ensured that their Virtual Academy email and password works and have already accessed the online content. I want you now to take time to share in your class. The teachers will role model for you, but here's an example using the language of virtues. A student has shown discipline this week because they have had 100% attendance and no detentions. So not only have I used the language of the virtue, but I've given the reason why. So teachers will role model this. At the end, everybody then should be feeling positive about the week ahead. I hope you have a fantastic weekend.